Hey guys.
Like where you at. I like everything about
You guys, it is so disgusting out.
Hungry.
Over the last, I don't know, 5 or 6 days, we've had some pretty crazy weather here. Anywhere from complete snowstorm craziness to getting like 16 inches of snow to the next morning it being super bright and sunny, but of course nobody can get out because they've been snowed in. And it's just now we've got what looks like snow rain. I don't know, I can't even explain myself. So we've been stuck inside. On some days we've gotten the luxury of living on top of a mountain. So we've got tons of hills up here. So on the days that we were stuck inside, we had time to go out and play in the snow and make the most of the hills by our house, including some of the main roads, just because nobody's on them. So today we are going to spend some time running some errands. Sophia has stayed home from school to just have a fun day with Stella and I, and we are going to return some library books, pick up a few groceries, stop at Chapters and get the girls both a new book, because we're huge bookworms. And we thought what we would do is sort of commentate. I think that's a word. Is commentate a word? We're not sure if commentate's a word, but it's likely a word, and if it's not, then we just made it one. We're going to show you the fun that we've got up to while getting stuck indoors or just not having a whole lot to do with the weather that we've been having. So stop number 1 is the
Library.
everything about you.
Yeah, she's putting it in the hole. Push it in the hole. One of the things that we did was we went tobogganing, or we should say donut tubing down our hill at home. And at first we thought it was going to be incredible because the hill was so crazy. And then it wasn't so incredible because it was just too powdery, the snow. But then with enough times that we pushed Sophia down and sort of made a pathway.
But we ran into the guys.
Oh yeah, the guys that were stuck in the driveway. But we managed to make sort of like pave a little section for her, and she whipped down a few times. That was super awesome. All the books are done?
Yep.
Okay, let's go. Let's go. We're done. You didn't put your card through there, did you? It's still in the bag? Oh, good. Here we go. Let's go. Stop number 2 is so the other thing we did while we were stuck inside was found a recipe for snow ice cream, and we made a vlog about how to make snow ice cream, which I'll post up here in the card. And it turned out so incredible. The girls loved it. We've since made, how many other recipes have we made? We made a strawberry one since then. And the first one was a maple one, which I thought was delicious. Sophia didn't really like. And then, what Greek yogurt? I need a plain.
The regular one.
Where is it? Oh, right there. So yeah, the girls made, oh, they have Daya here.
We need
Cool, a block of cheese. That is new. I'll try this one out. Yes, we've since made 2 different kinds of flavors, the maple original one and then a strawberry one, which Sophia wanted to make, and they're incredible. I can't be the only one that gets talked into these, am I?
about you. Everything.
Our third and final stop for the day is
Chapters.
About you.
Okay.
One of the other things that we did in the house. You coming, bud? One of the things that we did in the house when we were stuck is paint. Crafting is a huge thing for us. I know you're gonna get Minnie Mouse. Okay, let's go buy it. So we did a ton of crafts. We did some fun painting, and it was a success. It was loud, but it was a success. And with that, it concludes our day of running errands. Heading home right now to make lunches and get a little one down for a nap. Hope you enjoyed checking out what we got up to during our Snowmageddon here in Vancouver. Don't forget to like, subscribe. You don't want to miss it. Oh no. How the heck do I move out of the way if there's nowhere I can go?
What is it?
It's a fire truck
Where?
behind us. This vehicle has to move, but he doesn't realize it. Go, buddy, go. There we go. Oh, that was interesting.